There's a reason why I always encourage and start a series with growing in cultural competence. I'm very intentional about why I do that. We have listened to Michael talk about, we have been here before. We have had great conversation, big groups, right? Hundreds of people in one room listening. I call that listening to something. And that for me, I love what you said it, Michael. You said you consider to be dipping your toes into the equity waters. Dipping. And I think I want to really underline that was dipping our toes. Because what happens, a lot of us, we go to these equity workshops and speaker series and listening series, and we do a 1 hour talk. As a speaker, I can tell you, I am quite aware that we are not going to make magic in 1 hour. I'm not that crazy. I'm not that off. I am quite aware of that. And that is why I always say to you, do the pre-work, do the post-work. Do the pre-work, do the post-work. Do the pre-work, do the post-work. Engage in the action items that are going to happen in your board, in your school, in your classroom, in your teacher teams, and literally among your students. The work of equity has to transcend and pass and come off the laptop and off the workshop sheets. I am good with workshops, but they are a starting point or a middle point or even maybe an end point according to how you're doing your journey. So do not come to this space and feel like whatever you get here is what is to be served and you are full and you are contented. No, be thirsty for action. Be thirsty for more.